strength and wealth. Nobody can make a temple like this because elephant is your money, lion is your strength,
Elephant is
money, Lakshmi.
money.
Where is elephant? Here.
It is lion on the elephant, madam.
Okay.
I have told you it is combination of Hinduism and Buddhism. Please come. All iron beams are lying there. Our first iron pillar at New Delhi, Qutub Minar. This is temple after Qutub. They use only iron pin and beams at Sun Temple, Konark, not at Puri and Bhubaneswar. That's why every statue is jointed by the iron pins only. And on the main temple there was a powerful magnetic part.
Yes.
That magnetic part balancing of these temples. 16th century when Portuguese navigators they came to India waterway by ships, that magnetic part misguided the ship's compass. That's why the mariner people they removed that magnetic part. After magnet temple begin to collapse. Even now you can't enter inside the standing part since 100 years ago, because when Garbhagriha is collapsed, always stones falling down from this present part. That's why the archaeological people they have filled it from top to bottom help of sandstone and cement. Otherwise it may collapse. अभी नहीं किया, पहले था. सुनिए, generally Surya is called creator, Puri is called preserver, Bhubaneswar is called destroyer, Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. Konark is two Sanskrit word in English. You know, Kona means corner and Orko meaning sun god. Sun's corner. Particular sun rises in this is east. Formerly there was a river Chandrabhaga. Temple is built on river bed in 13th century. When sun rises in the east, you know, first ray of the rising sun fall on the deity. That's why the place is called Konark. 16th century there was a terrific cyclone in our coastal area. Sea has come out and half portion of the temple is covered with sand for 200 years. 1901 when our Indian archaeology started by the British people they removed stone and sands from the temple boundary. Main part of the temple is much higher than the standing part, but that is completely collapsed. So this part is called Natya Mandapa. Till Odisha is famous for Odissi dances. That's why nowadays children they come here to learn some Odissi mudra from this temple wall. And this part is called lion entrance. We call it Simhadwar. Every Hindu temple and front of our Odissan temple you will find lion on the elephant. But particular on this place, elephant also crossing one human body. There is man, elephant and lion. Lion strength and elephant wealth. Strength and wealth always kill the man. Statue says before entering this temple, people have to forget their pride and ego. This temple is a replica of that Khajuraho.
That is what I was.
That's why at that time Odisha is called Utkala. Utkala Banga. Madam, Ut means high. Kal means art. High art. जिसको आपने बोलते उत्कृष्ट कला. वो कॉर्नर का डिजाइन आप देखते हैं. ये डिजाइन आपका साड़ियों का बॉर्डर पे भी है. और ये देखिए जी इधर देखो ये देखो यो मैडम ये बाथरूम बाजू में वाटर वेल ये बाजू पिलर वाला आपका किचन ये भी मेडिटेशन हॉल ध्यान मंडपम एंड दोस टू हॉर्सेस दे आर आवर स्टेट सिंबल ऑफ ओडिशा. प्लीज कम. category animal kingdom, middle human kingdom, and top spiritual kingdom. Stage of life.
Yes.
Everybody should be satisfied in this monument. चलिए. And these plain stones are rebuilt by the archaeological people. I've told you when Garbhagriha is collapsed, always stones falling down. That's why it's supported by the archaeological people. Hello, madam. This part is called Sanctum Sanctorium. इसका हाइट आपका 79 मीटर था. Even the lion statue also falling down from the upstairs. Could you see the another huge lion statue is there? The 100 feet height. Actually, that lion he is carrying the temple on his back. And that fluorite statue is called Surya Narayan. Only the hands are broken by the Mughal people. That's why ये monument बन गया. अरे इस पर नजर करिए, sir. That wheel on our Indian money, hello, on 10 rupees note, and G20 program also, that is intact at Konark. That is Pratiksha. She is waiting for her husband on the door. इंतजार अभी मोबाइल पे करता है, पहले दरवाजा पे करती है. जी. That's अच्छा सुनिए, just like 24 wheels are there, but every wheel is working as like sundial, as like Jaipur or Jantar Mantar, New Delhi. Even now you can adjust the time also from this wheel because the wheel has got 8 spokes are there. 8 spokes means 8 divisions of a day and night. You understand? A division means 3 hours, but this wheel is working as like anti-clock. Anti-clock. Suppose आपको time दिखना है तो you have come from east, huh? This is east. If you put a stick in the axle, 90-degree angle, if shadow indicate there, that's morning 6. When sun is going up, the shadow is coming like this. So 45 degrees is called 9. 90 degrees is called 12. It is 12, 10:30, 9, 7:30, 6. And 60 dots are there in between the spokes. At that time they called it Ghodi system. A Ghodi means 3 minutes. Now not allowed to put in stick in the axle because the Vishwamitra Murti is broken by our Indian tourist people. You heard of the Vishwamitra Menuka? That's why you have to put your finger here only. इधर देखो, hello, so on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 10:30 plus 36 and 11:36. चलिए yes, on what is there, only the face expressions are different. With rising murti just like a baby smiling face, midday head of the crown and grey face, evening murti just like our retired from service, just like our old parents. The hands are broken, that's why it's become monument. The 12 number wheel, and this side wheels are representing bright fortnight and Purnima. That side wheels are representing dark fortnight. That side in the spokes only come.
Evening sun god.
Evening sun god, just like our retired from service, because there is one horse also tired and god also tired. Evening sun god, retired Surya. And sir, excuse me, these are the broken part from the sanctum sanctorium. You see, hello sir, another huge lion statue is there. Actually that lion he is carrying the temple on his back. क्योंकि इसका वेट एक टन है, टन यानी 1000 किलो. अरे उधार. And those two elephants they are gatekeeper of this entrance. ये दिखता आपने वो enemy को पकड़ा है. Mostly the mariner people they call it black pagoda. Burmese they call it pagoda. That's why after monsoon they clean it by the toothbrush. Otherwise it's become black top to bottom. And actually these stones are not so good. इस पे आपका 60% आयरन है, 30% आपका लाइम है, 10% अर्थ है, माटी है. उड़ीसा, बंगाल, बिहार, आसाम में ही पत्थर है, सैंडस्टोन. अदरवाइज कॉल्ड कोंडालाइट. The chloride the blood from Balasore. You heard about Balasore? Our modern missile range is there, Chandipura. The chloride they brought from Balasore. Because granite is not available in Orissa. So now time.
Mining is there.
Sir.